Hello everyone, welcome back to GearUpWindows. If your internet is connected but websites are not opening, or you are seeing DNS errors like DNS server not responding, or this site can't be reached, don't worry. In many cases, simply clearing or flushing the DNS cache can fix the problem instantly. In today's video, I will show you how to clear, reset and flush the DNS cache in Windows 11 or Windows 10. So let's get started. What is DNS cache? Before we begin, quickly understand this. DNS or domain name system translates websites names into like google.com into IP addresses. Windows stores these records in something called the DNS cache to load websites faster, but sometimes this cache becomes outdated or corrupted, which can cause internet problems. Clearing it forces Windows to fetch fresh DNS information. Now let's fix it. Method 1. Throw plus DNS using command prompt. For this, first click on the start button, then type cmd in the search results. Right click on the command prompt entry and select run as administrator. In case user account control prompts, click on the yes button. Now you need to type here command ipconfig a space / plus DNS. After that, press enter on the keyboard. You will see a message successfully flushed the DNS resolver cache. That's it. Now from your Windows PC, DNS cache is flushed. Method 2. Release and renew IP address. If flushing DNS doesn't fully fix the issue, you can also release and renew your IP address in the same command prompt. You need to type ipconfig a space / release. After that, press enter. Now again type ipconfig a space / renew and then press enter on the keyboard. I will put all these commands in this one video description so that you can copy and paste these commands when needed. This refreshes your network connection completely. Method 3. Reset TCP IP stack. This is advanced fix. For this, in the same command prompt you need to type netsh a space int a space ip a space reset. After that, press enter. After running this command, restart your computer. This method fixes deeper network related issues. Most DNS related issues are fixed using these methods. That's all for this video. If this tutorial helped you, please like the video and subscribe to GearUpWindows for more Windows 11 and Windows 10 tips and troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.